Let's get straight into it. 1974 Pontiac Ville Convertible. She has the 455 cubic inch 7.5 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. Paint is in driver quality condition. Interior is nice and clean. Let's check her out. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. Deck lid. She has power windows, power locks. Mileage reads a little over 78,000. Seats nice and clean. Back seat in good condition. Convertible top functions as it should. Check out the dash. As y'all can see, the mileage reads a little over 78,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has the 455 cubic inch 7.5 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering, AC, all the creature comforts. Let's start her up. Y'all make sure y'all go check her out at RollerMuseum.com. Got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a good one. Stay tuned for the next one.